Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Yamaha FZ-07. This is one of the hottest looking FZ-07s I've ever seen. Beautiful shark gray with the highlighted yellow wheels. Bar end mirrors, an awesome sounding Yoshi exhaust, fender eliminator, only 8,228 miles on this awesome FZ-07, liquid cooled, fuel injected, twin cylinder. This bike is in amazing condition and a real eye catcher. Price to sell just $54.99. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.